Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we'll continue our series in JavaScript fundamentals. Today we will talk, before I say what we talk about in this series, we try to answer the questions that you may face in your interviews that related to JavaScript. If this is something that sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and let's get into it. So what is the purpose of array dot wait a minute, I write purpose wrong. What is the purpose of array.slice method? Why we use it? So basically, when you have these type of questions, you wanna put your answers into two steps. First, you wanna talk about the actual purpose, and after that, we wanna talk about the usage and give example for that. So the actual purpose, it do two things. Creating a subarray, like you can let's just so first, let me just pull like that. First, we're creating a subarray. Sorry, let me try to do it like that. So first, we're creating a subarray, so you can use the array.slice to create a new array that contains the elements from the original array specified by their indices. And the other thing is cloning an array, which sorry. If you want to create a copy of an array, we use array.slice. It is an easy way to go to do it. This copy is a shallow copy, meaning that it duplicates the array structure and the references to objects within the array, rather than deep copying the object themselves. If we want to talk about the usage, the slice method accepts two optional parameters. We accept something called start and something called end. The first one, the start, is optional. It's optional. The index at slice to begin extraction. We have end. Also, this is optional. The index at which to stop extraction at. And let's just create an example for this one. Let's just create a subarray. So let's see that we have this array, and I will call a const subarray. And maybe I will say a const from, let's call it from 1 to 4. And what I will get, which will be, okay, can you think what I will get here? Okay, Copilot, answer it. I will get from 2, because I'm starting at 1, and 1, 2, 3, and I stop at 4, so I do not take 4. Example 4, if you want to clone the full array, if you want to, let's say that I want to clone this array, so I'll just create const clone array, which equals array.slice 0, or maybe array.slice, and you just leave it empty. It will give you the same value. And that's it. Basically, it's important to note that slice does not modify the original array. It returns a new array with the selected elements, and this makes it useful for various operations where you need to work with a subset of a new array while preserving the original data. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.